Hello y'all, and thank you for your time. I know how hard it is to watch long videos. I'm trying to make them very short and informative. So more about, people were very impressed with the quality of the rotors, but I had the band director ask me about replacement parts. So how about those? Well, we get a lot of replacement parts and I never have to send stuff out unless it's lost. So it's not because it broke. So one of the things that get lost is this little screw right here. And last time I sent out one to a university in Texas and they were like, oh, do you have it? Of course we have it. I sent it out free of charge. Now, I had a customer who really damaged her third slide, had like a big dent, and she was like, oh, can you fix this? Yes, I can fix this, but what if I just sent you a brand new one? And she was like, but will it fit? Because this is very important, it needs to fit, and that shows how well the instruments are made. You have to be within 4 or 5,000 of an inch parallelism for this to fit. So we have here 3 680 horns, and we take the slides out. That's an 800, and we just mix the slides. And we custom makers, we pride ourselves when we achieve this, 3, 4, 5,000 of an inch. Voila, just perfect fit. So you know that they are just very, very consistent made between. Each horn is very consistently made, and look at this. I came closer to show you guys this. You can access the second slide because it's got like the extension. So with this extension, you don't need to take the other slide out. Thank you so much. I'm gonna try to do Maxime Alphonse 14 book 4. I think it's easier to solfege than to play it. So you all know this. It's a beautiful, etude. Do, fa, do, sol, do, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, si, la, so, fa, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, mi, re, do, re, si, do, la, si, sol, la, fa. Do, fa, la, re, sol, si, sol, la, so, fa, mi, sol, fa, fa. So, it's very hard to play. I'm gonna really try that. I tried it a little bit this morning and I was like, dude, you gotta practice.